Introducing Candiya, the perfect template for your online chocolate shop, crafted with irresistible charm. Start strong with a sleek navigation menu featuring quick links, a search bar, and a mini cart. Showcase your logo in the center and welcome customers with a giant chocolate candy blast. Share your story with a dedicated About Us section, featuring a delicious chocolate image and brand introduction. Tempt your audience with a carousel of chocolate and shake varieties, highlighted by a bold and playful title. Convince your customers with reasons to love your brand. Highlight your unique qualities in 3 descriptive points. Capture attention with a vibrant CTA section. Encourage customers to explore your irresistible chocolate collection. Showcase your ready-to-order products with enticing images, detailed descriptions, and key details like pricing and popularity. Add a personal touch with a heartfelt message from the owner, complete with an inspiring story and image. Build trust with vibrant testimonials showcasing customer avatars, messages, and ratings in brand colors. Wrap it up with a minimalistic footer, featuring quick links and colors that complement your brand. With Candiya, create a chocolate shop that tempts customers from their very first visit.